Hello everyone, welcome to Jennifer Fitness Fuel. I am Jennifer, your health coach. Today's topic is introduction to a healthy diet plan, so let's start. Maintaining a healthy diet is essential for overall well-being and plays a significant role in promoting good health and preventing various chronic diseases. A healthy diet plan involves consuming a balanced mix of nutrient-rich foods that provide the necessary vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats required for optimal functioning of the body. The following introduction will outline the key principles of a healthy diet plan and provide guidance on making informed choices about food. 1. Eat a variety of nutrient-dense foods. A healthy diet should include a wide range of foods from all major food groups. This includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, low-fat dairy products, and healthy fats. Each food group contributes specific nutrients, and consuming a variety ensures you receive a broad spectrum of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 2. Portion control and moderation. Paying attention to portion sizes is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. It is essential to consume appropriate portions of each food group to avoid overeating and promote balance. Moderation is also important when consuming foods high in added sugars, sodium, and unhealthy fats. While these foods can be enjoyed occasionally, they should not make up a significant portion of your diet. 3. Limit processed and junk foods. Processed foods, such as packaged snacks, sugary beverages, and fast food, are often high in unhealthy fats, added sugars, and artificial additives. These foods should be limited as they provide little nutritional value and can contribute to weight gain, heart disease, and other health problems. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. 4. Hydration is key. Water is essential for maintaining proper bodily functions. It is recommended to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day and limit the intake of sugary drinks. Staying hydrated helps regulate body temperature, aids digestion, and supports overall health. 5. Mindful eating. Practicing mindful eating involves paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Slow down while eating, savor each bite, and listen to your body's signals to avoid overeating. This practice helps develop a healthier relationship with food and promotes better digestion. 6. Plan and prepare meals. Planning and preparing meals in advance can help you make healthier choices and avoid relying on convenience foods. Incorporate a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meal plans. Cooking at home allows you to control the quality and quantity of ingredients, reducing the intake of added sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium. 7. Seek professional guidance. If you have specific dietary needs or health concerns, it is advisable to consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional. They can provide personalized recommendations and help tailor a diet plan that suits your individual needs and goals. Remember, a healthy diet is not about deprivation or strict rules but rather about making informed choices and finding a sustainable balance that supports your overall health and well-being. By adopting these principles and embracing a varied, nutrient-rich diet, you can take a proactive step toward a healthier lifestyle.